stay tuned, guys. You all deserve to know my secret tips and tricks for Postmates to maximize your earnings. Just basically make more money, right? Save you time, energy, gas, everything, guys. Stay tuned. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna reveal everything, right? So So what's going on, guys? Anthony here. Now before we begin this video, make sure to like, comment down below, and subscribe so you can say you've been here since the beginning, guys, since the struggle, guys, because this channel is going up. So you want to say you've been here since the beginning. You want to say you've been here since you first subscribed, since my channel was barely at 1,000. So make sure you do subscribe, guys. Like, I'll wait. What you guys doing, man? Subscribe right now, guys. Subscribe to this channel. Turn on the post notifications so you can get updated when I upload a video, so you guys could be the first ones to know my secrets, right? Because I reveal a lot, man. Most of this stuff you can't see on YouTube, and most of this stuff, man, I don't know why, but YouTubers, they just always feel like hiding this stuff, and I'm like, bruh, why, man? Why? Just reveal it, man. So today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna be revealing my secret tips and tricks. These tips and tricks, guys, I've been hiding these for a while now. It's time for me to reveal them because I feel like you guys are family, right? I don't want to keep anything from you guys. I want to put everything out there, and that's what we're about to do in this video. So definitely stay tuned, guys, and I'm gonna just hop into the app and just show you guys everything, right? How I make a lot of money on Postmates, how I save gas, my energy, right? Because sometimes I just go out, you know, complete deliveries, and I skip breakfast, right? I don't eat anything. So I just want to show you guys how to do all this, right? Just save your energy, man. Just save the gas, everything, man. Make more money easily, bro. So let's jump straight into my app and let's do this, guys. Alright, guys, we are on the app. Like I said, your boy makes all these promises and he fulfills them. You already know, but check this out, guys. Look at my payouts, man. Only off of 382 deliveries, bro. Who's doing it like your boy, man? I'm gonna show you guys how to get some big tips, some big money on Postmates, man. I'm gonna reveal everything, right? So look at this payout, man. March 8th, 2020, $149.50. It would have been $150, right? But I cashed that out evenly, man. You guys want to do it like your boy, man? Stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show you guys how I did this, bro. Check it out. It's easy. Now, what you want to do first is head here, man. This thing is located in the app, so we're gonna go ahead and walk you guys through it, right? Just have to go right here to the fleet store. You already know, nothing new. Check this out, man. What I do, guys, you have to get this. This is mandatory, bro. When you sign up, though, you're already gonna get a, you know, a hot code bag. Then you're gonna get a prepaid card. And what I recommend doing, guys, this just maximize my earnings, man. You guys want to make $150 a day? Get the shirt. Honestly, guys, this is the tip. This is the trick right here. Get the shirt and then get the hat. You want to look presentable. You want to look like you're actually repping, you know, a company, right? You're with Postmates, dog. So this is what you want to do. You want to get the shirt, guys. Check this out. Let me see if I can zoom in on this thing, man. See if we can tap on it. You guys want to get the shirt. This will definitely increase your earnings. Like, trust me, guys. Let's let this zoom in, right? I think it's zooming in. Yeah, we got it. So you want to get the shirt, right, guys? You can pick your size and everything. And guys, this thing will definitely get you more tips, right? A lot of people, when you're delivering, you know, to your customers, they're gonna see how presentable you look and that you're with Postmates. And it also helps the customer identify, you know, who their delivery driver is, so they can find you easily, right? And yeah, the hat just adds on to it, right? Just, guys, just get this. Trust me, I've been able to make a lot more tips. Just this simple little trick. Like, make sure you do get the hat, get the shirt, right? Get that combo, guys, and you guys will definitely earn a lot more, guys. This is definitely a hidden trick. I've never seen this before on YouTube. It really does work, guys, and trust me, guys, you guys will be getting tips all the time. All right, guys, so I guess the final tip slash trick, whatever you guys want to call it, on how I actually made $150 a day was the ways to earn. Literally, I just delivered throughout the whole day, right? And every time these things popped up, you know, earn 45 for 8 deliveries now until 2, I just, you know, completed that, right? It would start from like 10 and then it end at 2, so I would complete that, and then I would go online again for the nighttime one, which was a $60 one. You see that? $60 for 10 deliveries, and it starts like around 5 and then ends at 9. So that's what I did, guys. I just would go online right from now until 2, right? Because right now I believe the time is 11. So I would have gone online at 10, right? I would have went to the busy area and got online at 10, and then I would have got off at 2 after I completed this guaranteed earning, right? And then I would have rested a little bit, you know, got myself some lunch or whatever, dinner, whatever, and I would have got back online at around 5. And then from there I would have got off at 9, and I would have completed this, no doubt, guys. Like, easy money. I would have completed that, like, it's just easy, man. And then I would have gave me 60. So if you add that up, that 45 plus that 60, that's $105 right there, guys. And then plus the tips, guys. Like I said, guys, in all my videos, the tips come in the next day. So that's how I made that 150. That's how I cashed that out, and you guys could do the same, man. It's that simple. Make sure you guys do use my code right here. Boom. Now, I say this a lot in my videos, depending on where you live, right? So if you live in a larger city, right, like New York City or Los Angeles, you will potentially earn a lot more with my referral code right here. Boom. Again, you can potentially earn up to $1,025 as a sign-up bonus. So make sure you do use it and complete those deliveries so you guys can make that $1,000, just depending on where you're from. So if you live like in a smaller city, it'll probably be like 600, 700 around there. But we're all winning at the end of the day. We're all making this money. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, man. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below, and just do all of that, guys. All of that. But yeah, guys, believe it or not, that pretty much wraps up the video. Like, get the shirt, get the hat, complete the guaranteed earnings that you saw. And most of the time, guys, on Postmates, they would you know, whenever it's like kind of busy and there's not that many Postmates couriers delivering, what they would do is just give you guys a bonus, right? So if you complete a delivery, they'll give you a bonus of $2 or maybe $4 sometimes, and that just maximizes your earnings. These are hidden tips and tricks, guys. Now, I will say, now if you are trying to complete these guaranteed earnings, I will give you guys some tips and tricks. So to complete it, stay at a busy area, right? Stay parked right there. You know, just stay there, guys, to save you guys gas and energy, because that area is gonna stay busy for a long time throughout the lunchtime if you are delivering through the lunch hours. But if you're delivering dinner hours too, it's always busy. So stay there, stay parked. Don't just drive around and hope and pray you pick up the delivery, right? Just stay there, park, pick up a delivery. The next thing you know, you're gonna pick up another one, and then another one, so on and so forth. And that pretty much wraps up the video, man. That's get the shirt, get the hat, you know, and complete the guaranteed earnings. And follow along with my other videos. I kind of explained like the guaranteed earnings a little bit more and how to actually complete it, right? But yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video, man. These are secret hidden tips and tricks, man. These are actually brand new. I've never seen these on YouTube, right? I don't think I've ever seen like a YouTuber be all like, hey, you know, get the shirts, get the hat. But it does work, guys. Like, I'm telling you this because, you know, I do this and I have the shirt, I have the hat. Like, you guys see my videos, right? And that thing is just gonna maximize your earnings. Like, trust me, man. Like, it works. Like, I don't know why. I guess you look more presentable, right? Like, you're with Postmates, you know, and your customers can easily identify you, and they get their food. Everyone's happy at the end of the day. So that pretty much wraps up this video, guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Other than that, it's been your boy Anthony, and I'm out. Peace.